Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. So I just two diffuse. One I took this rocky surface and one this mossy surface or grass, normal of their respective normal. Similarly, I can have like what we do, like landscape material, two, three textures with their diffuse color, normal map, and everything. Then I just copied this thing here. Now I need to like typical like what we do for landscape blend. We use a uh, landscape layer blend. We use this, right? Layer blend, and then we create one for moss or grass. Just let's name it as grass, and then plus one more. This is my rock or rocky surface or like whatever you want to name it. Name it. So you got this two thing. Control W, duplicate this, and keep another one. Okay, I'll do it later. So this one, this section, I got this section. Now, traditionally, what we do is we connect this grass to grass and rock to rock, and then connect to base color. Right. This is what we do directly,
Yes, sir.
straightforward. But if I want to blend it like automatically, I have to create a world align blend based on the angle of the mesh. So you can see world align is there. You can see world align blend is there. Click this, it will
Yeah.
generate this material function. It's there. It's a default of Unreal. It's there, world
Okay.
align blend. So I need to connect this with my texture. So based on this, it will generate. So
Okay.
now to combine this with this two texture, I need to combine two texture. We need a linear interpolation LUT, right? Texture
Yeah.
A and B. So here to apply my A will be exposed with the help of this. So here, oh, so here my rock surface will be 1A and my grass surface will become B, and this will connect to A. So what will happen? The exposure, whatever it's exposing, based on this, it's exposing the texture A, texture A, wherever this rock surface is there. So now connect this alpha to alpha. It's a very simple, straightforward thing. Only thing is you need to understand, like if you connect this directly to grass, it will expose grass directly, right? There is no blending happening. So if now I want to blend the rock and grass together, so I'll connect the grass to B and my rock to A. So with this alpha, it will expose the grass wherever this alpha is like this parameter exposing. So here
Okay.
for blending, convert to parameter, and for blend bias like angle and all this thing, sharpness is basically how sharp the blending is. It is smooth sharpness, smooth blending or sharp blending. And blend bias is like it's like generate your texture based on this. So this is basic default setting, is it's ready. This is the only thing we have to create. But what to complete this landscape material, we have to connect world coordinator, world landscape coordinate, uh, landscape coordinate. This one you have to like apply to control the tiling of the texture. Multiply with this A, one scalar parameter is tiling, and connect with B and apply this to like wherever you want to apply grass and
So this will connect to all the grass textures.
all the grass. Like suppose you want to have separate tiling for grass and rock, so you have to duplicate
Mm.
this and make sure name this as tiling underscore rock and grass, like separate the naming and connect
Yes.
this to, so two different texture. If their tiling is same, then they can connect the same thing only, but tiling is if not same, then you have to connect it like this. So now my basic this thing is ready. So what I'll do is I'll select this entire thing, plus control this, control W, duplicate, place it here, B, and this is my normal.
So we just have to connect one of them to the layer blend. Right.
Yes.
Sir,
No. Like this now. A and B.
yes, sir. We only have to connect one of them to the word align blend.
One, yes, one of them, like with whatever you want to blend with this. Like basically for angle, I want to generate those this thing, rocky surface. So save it. Just one.
Yes. And sir, what if we are using three of them?
We can use three also. I'll create one more texture here. I'll show that also.
And sir, we can still do vertex painting on top of this.
Yes. Like if you have this wall layer blend, you can paint it everywhere. This
Okay.
this basically activates your vertex painting.
Okay.
Okay, it's converting. That's why. It's- Okay, saved. So you can see that by default nothing is visible because all the styling is 0. So make sure at least styling should be 1 1. So if tiling is 0 means there is no texture, no UV. So that's why nothing is visible. And by default, if I want, I can definitely modify these things. Like I can give a value here, or I can do it in parameters also. Both works perfectly, but usually like 60 works perfectly for sharpness. You can control it later also, and this is like minus 10 or 12 something works perfectly with the for blending. Save it. Or if you want to have some very specific alpha, you can collect a specific alpha texture, and suppose you have a plane, and on that plane wherever you want to, you have very specific area you want to generate this, you can connect the alpha also.
Okay, sir.
So it's done. Now I'll go back to my material. Where is my this one? Right click, convert into a instance. Now let me go. I'll just new level. So delete. I'll generate a landscape. Just create a landscape. I just created a landscape. There is no volume. There's no surface. Nothing. So I'll just select this and apply it here. Oh, I have to come like exit this thing. Select here. Landscape material. Just apply it here. But you can see nothing is visible. It's compiling, but nothing is visible because we have to activate that. Go to landscape again. Paint. You can see these two don't have any information here. So what you have to do is click this wet blended. Okay. Or you can save it in your like specific folder. 01. Save it. Then click this wet blend. That info you need to save, otherwise it won't generate it.
Okay, sir.
Now it's like generating this thing, so it will show something. Let's see. Okay, so it's still compiling. I'll go to sculpt. Let's sculpt something, few things. It should generate quickly. Generate it. Okay, one more thing I completely forgot. Preview, all the previews are off. So any of the preview I can switch it on, make it one. The preview is on. You can see now the preview is visible. So this is compiling. 29. 24. जल्दी.
सर एक और चीज है. So
Hmm.
for smaller assets, like the bigger logs I'm going to use for the hut.
Hmm.
सर आपने बोला था कि सीम्स जहाँ तक है like I need to hide them,
Hmm.
but कुछ कुछ है उनके ends जो log के ends है circular pieces, they're going to be very prominent.
हाँ, that section need to be prominent. देखो वो तो कट है ना already wood में, wooden log में, so it will be visible.
Yeah.
अरे, why it's not visible yet? Should work. Let's see. Why is grass it not visible? Paint. Both cannot be on, but I know. One correct. It's correct only. Then why it's not visible? I mean, why it's so visible? Strange. I missed something. No, same, correct. Correct, only there's no issue. Normal input. Screen. Alpha, correct. Alpha, correct. should work, but I don't know. Let's see. Sometimes it gives you issues. So if you convert the texture into wrap, it should work. But why it's showing error? Correct only, correct. Correct, same thing. Then why it's showing error? What I did wrong? Nothing wrong.
So the naming,
Naming, I checked. Tiling, rock, separate. This doesn't matter. I can connect this to this. I think it's not required. But still, it's showing an error. But why? Okay, this check this one. Exact same thing. Specular connected. Only specular I haven't connected. It should
so
blend
layer
like
blend शायद उल्टा connected है.
lerp is going to grass. V is grass and I think grass. Correct.
So maybe something software issue.
Like this one, you can see like I just create the same network, but it's showing some material function error. World align blend, correct. World align blend. There's nothing wrong in it. How it's possible?
So do we need only one word align blend?
Like one or two, like these two are same only. Even if I connect this one here directly, it should work perfectly. It's giving okay, it started giving an error then. Okay. Once. Oh, here I did a mistake. It should connect to the normal. Error is gone.
Okay.
So that's error. Like based on the normal, it will generate, right? So I was connecting alpha. So for normal, I have to connect explicit normal, or from here I can connect it to here directly. This also correct. That's my problem. Okay, figure out the problem. For normal, you have to use a normal, and for diffuse, you have to use alpha.
Okay. Okay, sir.
See, now it's blended. You see, I go here, now it's compiling 72. Now it will be visible. It will work perfectly. जल्दी तब तक I can just like simply sculpt some few things. Equation.
सर आप बोल रहे थे we can make the cliff rocky. How do we do that?
That with the texture.
Okay. So what is that retop option?
Basically smooth the like distance, and there's a stretch and all na top. It
Hmm.
basically clean that.
Okay.
Mirror also we have visibility also, you can switch on switch off. 42 quickly sticking forever to go. Finally कुछ तो हुआ. So why it's not generating?
You're in paint mode, is it that?
If I exit paint mode, like it should generate automatically. Here I can see it's blending. It's blending. You see, based on all those curve, depth, and everything, is blending automatically. It's creating those things. So why it's not working here? But this is like painted manually. Tiling so I can control. It should blend automatically. Why it's not creating those blends? It's like material showing, but it's not working here. That's strange. There's something wrong with my Unreal or what? Just give me a second. I'll apply this material. Okay, what is the problem?
सर आपका दूसरा क्लास नहीं है ना?
हम क्लास इसके मतलब ये बाद में थोड़े से
ओके सर।
चेक कर लेते हैं इसको, ये ऐसा क्यों काम कर रहा है, व्हाई इट्स लाइक बिहेविंग लाइक दिस। It should work like without any problem, why it's behaving like this. There's something wrong, I'm not sure, but how it's possible? If I use exact same parameter, exact same thing,
Or is it material issue? Can it be a material issue?
it can be, but that's what I'm like. I have used exact same parameter. Like there's no difference at all. Then why it's creating issue? No problem at all. The problem is takes so long to just compile. See, it generated automatically for this.
Yes, sir.
It's supposed to work like this. Why it's not working? Once it started to work now, you can see. Yeah, it started to work. Started to work now. I don't know, there may be some glitch in software, something. Now it's working. So based on the like wherever
Sir,
you have to
is there any option to toggle it, sir, like on and off? Like I need this in some areas and I don't need it in some areas.
so you can paint it. If you go to this paint, now you have both the surface, and if you want to paint only grass and a rock some places, let's see. Okay, okay, this layer info didn't save, that's why maybe it exist, save somewhere. Paint rock for this. So if I want to paint this, so what I have to do is, because you can see grass I can paint.
Yes, sir.
If I paint this strength, if I increase full one, still it's not that prominent. Like still the rocky surface is more prominent. So
Mhm.
I have to, so what I can do is go to my main material. This is my blend. First one is my blend, and second one is my rock. So I can create one more plus. This is like grass underscore blend. One more only grass, and connect this directly here. Same thing, plus grass underscore blend. So I have a grass to paint and plus grass blend. Save it. So just to like to paint, you need this layer. So you the grass is connected directly. This is blending is connected. So no matter what you do, it will blend always. So need to have a separate layer for grass. Done. Save. It's compiling, and this one blending. I have to create this blend information. Saved it. Now it should work. Is it generating? Let's see. Grass, paint, rock, paint. So I can paint my rock and blend automatically. Just have to control with this. Why this blending is not changing?
So last blend layer में भी
Oh, glass blend layer is not compiled yet. That's right. Okay.
yes.
Still 74 compiling. Okay, let it compile. I'll take attendance by the time. What is this?
Sir, I had this thing, doubt kind of thing.
Mm.
Like, how do you decide, as an artist, how do you decide on what texturing style to go with according to the model? If it's a personal project and not for a company or something.
So like if you're like working on something which is realistic, go for realistic texture. If it's stylized, go for stylized, like that.
So, like, if what if I'm working on something which is kind of a realistic model, but I don't want it to texture a realistic. So will it look good in something like a stylized texture, or will it not match at all?
It will not match because like style is something either your model also follow the same style and your texture also will follow the same style. So if you create a realistic model and apply a stylized texture, it will look odd. Similarly, if you create a stylized model and create a stylized realistic texture, it will look odd. So if it's stylized, make it stylized. If it's realistic, keep it realistic.
Okay, sir.
Control everything. Yeah, I don't know. There's some issue with this. It's sometime it's like working. See, now it's working perfectly, no problem. It's automatically generated everything. Blend. See, it's blending now. See, based on the angle and everything, it's generating.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, like suppose I want to remove this and add grass. I can paint it directly. No, oh, sorry.
Sir,
Select
एक
this.
और ये sir,
Hmm.
that reflection capture thing,
Hmm.
sir,
Uh,
it only covers a small area, and I
yes.
tried like increasing the size, but वो बहुत limited size में increase हो रहा है. So
नहीं साइज का
do we
बहुत बड़ा
need
हो
that?
सकता है बट थिंग इज की what you for reflection capture wherever you have a reflective surface use multiple reflection capture, don't use only one. एक
Okay.
से इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, use multiple reflection capture. If you have 10 lights, use 10 reflection capture.
Mhm.
And lights, as in,
Like say in your scene, suppose you have multiple you have a metallic surface and you have multiple light source or reflect
hmm.
bounce lights. In that case, use
Hmm.
multiple reflection capture to generate proper reflection.
So, but it makes the whole thing very light, like the
हाँ,
sir आपके screen में भी
हाँ इसको
should.
if you it looks like this, if you bake it, it will look clear. And plus reflection is basically reflecting your light, so it will make your scene light anyways. So what you can do is, let's select this. You can see brightness is there, so you can control this brightness with this.
Okay.
So, anything reflect, it become lighter in color, like reflection. So you can control this
Yes,
also,
sir.
and this radius can increase, and this is like maximum. But if you want to increase this, manually type it and enter.
Okay.
So most of the
Then
thing,
why do we need to put multiple reflection if I can
it doesn't
increase it?
it doesn't work proper. It doesn't give you a proper result. So
Okay.
usually what we do, we keep a reflection capture with a small radius and keep another one. So basically this one concentrating on this surface, this area, and this one concentrating on this area. So this will generate proper reflection for this surface. If you create the entire whole thing, it won't be able to calculate the entire reflection, or it might increase the baking time. That's why.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
Because reflection capture, you have
Sir,
to.
hmm.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, आप बता देते.
तो ये and now it's working. I don't know. This is like, I
Yes,
guess
sir.
maybe some technical glitch. Now it's working. So this texture I can modify, change, and I can apply whatever I want.